yung sagot, the sum and the product of two real numbers ay real number din. And as for the commutative property naman, na ginagawa niya, nag-change siya ng order. Order does not matter because even if nag-change ng order yung dalawang numbers na pinag-add mo, still they will give you the same answer. Okay? So now, ano naman kapag nag-deal na tayo sa 3 or more na numbers? Ano naman yung tawag or ano naman yung i-apply natin property? Okay? So with that being said, what are you waiting for? Buckle up because you're in for another fun mathful run. Let's go straight to the point now. Okay? You have the associative property of addition. So if x, y, and z are real numbers, then x plus the quantity y plus z is equal to the quantity x plus y plus z. So ang pagkakaiba lang dito nitong associative property sa commutative property is that this time sa associative, nag-i-involve na tayo ng grouping. Okay? Ang ginagawa naman niya, kung sa commutative property, pinagbabaliktad mo lang, change mo lang yung position ng dalawang numbers dito, ang ginagawa mo, change mo yung order ng grouping. Okay? So, like for example, for this one, you have x plus, ang unang grouping ay ang y plus z. Ang sabi sa associative, kahit daw ang i-group ko ay si x at si y, tapos si z yung iuuli na i-add, it will still give me the same answer. Okay? So, let us try to do that one. Apply natin dito sa illustration natin. Okay? So, number 1, 5 plus the quantity 7 plus 3. Okay? So, pag ginawa ko to, pag in-evaluate ko to, ang sabi sa associative, it will still, pag nire-write ko siya ng ganito, they will still have the same answer. Okay? So, the quantity 5 plus 7. So, ito yung remove ko, tapos plus 3. So, tingnan natin. Siyempre, kailangan ito yung unahin natin kasi yan yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, this is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Hence, we have 5 plus 10 that is equal to 15. So, tingnan natin kung yun din yung sagot dito. Okay? So, we have 5 plus 7. This is equal to 12 plus 3. So, 12 plus 3 is 15. And indeed, they still have the same answer. Hence, associative. For our last example under this associative property of addition, okay? So, you have 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8. Ito yung unang grouping natin. So, ayan, pinapalit natin yung order ng grouping. So, you have 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8 plus 7 over 8. So, dapat parehas sila na magiging sagot kasi yun yung sinasabi na associative na property of addition. Last class, we're still dealing with real numbers dito. Mga rational numbers naman, pero mga real numbers pa rin. Okay. So, you will have 1 over 8 plus, unahin yung pag-add dito, similar fractions. So, wala problema. Add na lang agad yung nasa numerator. 3 plus 7, that is 10 over 8. And 1 over 8 plus 10 over 8 is equal to 11 over 8. Hindi ko na sinimplify kasi pag sinimplify ko, magiging dissimilar fractions sila. Magkakaroon pa ng ibang solution. Di ba advantage na sa atin kasi parehas na sila ng denominator. Okay, so add na lang agad. So, 11 over 8, yan, not reducible na. Okay, tingnan natin kung yun yung magiging sagot natin dito. Okay, so you have 1 over 8 plus 3 over 8. So that is equal to 4 over 8 plus 7 over 8. So hindi ko na rin ito isi-simplify para hindi na maging dissimilar fraction. Okay? Parehas na sila ng denominator. Let's take advantage of that. Okay, so you have 4 plus 7. So this is still equal to 11 over 8. And again, we yielded the same answer. So that is what associative property of addition is all about. Okay, so let's have the associative property of multiplication naman. Okay, so if x, y, and z are real numbers, then x times the product of y and z is just equal to the product of x and y times z. So again, nagkaroon tayo ng order of grouping dito. At ang sabi sa associative property, kahit ibahin ko man yung groupings, they will still give me the same answer. Okay, so let's have an illustration. Example number 1, you have 5 times the quantity, negative 3 times negative 2, and then change of grouping. So you have 5 times negative 3, and then times negative 2. So unahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So this will give us 5 times negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Ay tingnan natin kung equal ba siya dito. You have 5 times negative 3, that is equal to negative 15 times negative 2. Okay, so 5 times 6 is equal to 30. And negative 15 and negative 2 apparently is also equal to 30. And again, yun ang law ni associative property of multiplication. So this is a true statement. Next, let's proceed to the next example right away. So you have 0 Again, change of order. So 0.2 times 1.3 times 2. So tingnan natin yung product. Okay? Real numbers pa rin yan. Decimal na sa ano pa rin yan. Rational numbers. So under pa rin yan sa real numbers. Okay. So you have 0.2 times the product of 1.3 and 2 is 2.6. Tingnan natin kung equal siya dito. So 0.2 times 1.3 is equal to 0.26. Okay? Times 2. Okay, next. 0.2 times 2.6 is equal to 0.52. And also, the product of 0.26 is also equal to 0.52. Hence, again, associative. Okay? Let me just wrap it up. Again, the associative properties, okay, state that the grouping, so this is your keyword now, the grouping of addends or factors does not change the sum or the product respectively. So, every time may grouping, so that is under associative property. Okay? So, for just a quick math trivia, let me introduce to you our math idol for today, Sir William Rowan Hamilton. Okay, so he lived from 1805 to 1865. Now, he is an English mathematician and he was the first to use the term associative extensively to mean grouping. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video para sa ating pang-apat na pair na properties of real numbers. Alright, so math is fun. Bye everyone!
Time is barely on our side.